living aboard is worth every hassle because you know there are some pretty cool perks like this harbor view. Every morning it changes right here. I'm rocked like a baby.
Yep, that's life living aboard. Me and my boat are off grid.
I'm full.
We generate our own electricity. We have to fetch our own water. We've got no car, but we've got a dinghy.
So these 4. So then I'm completely full with water. I like that. And I've got another chore to do as a live aboard. Get fuel for my dinghy engine and gas, cooking gas. Yeah. Where do you think that comes from? Well, I'll show you.
As well, I have to fetch gasoline to get around in a dinghy and cooking gas.
Before I fetch gasoline, I've got some plain gasoline to put into the generator because I'm gonna run the generator later to charge up the batteries good with the sun. And this one's empty. This one is for fuel for the dinghy, which is mixed with 2-stroke oil. I don't use that much gas, but it lasts a long time. And here they only cost about $4 or $5 a bottle. One of those lasts me about a month. In the Canaries, they were 25. That was like 5 years ago. It's probably 30 by now.
So let's go get gas.
Lines and moorings here for the local fishermen. But I've been here, I know my way around, and then I've got to land on the beach here.
Luckily, the swell here is minimal, and I'm glad to have a lightweight dinghy.
And ever since I got my hernia fixed, I feel lighter on my feet. Everything feels lighter to carry, it seems like. It's great. Man, I should have done this a long time ago. Let's go get some gas. Yeah, man. Conta uma história de tubarão.
Down near here told me an old story. There was a storm surge many years ago. Water came up and over the street. And out there in the bay, there was a fisherman fishing near the island at the entrance of the bay. He managed to catch a big shark, brought it back, cut off his head, and kept the jaw. And now there's a small bar there on the corner called Boca de Tubarón, shark mouth.
You can always find somebody to help out, like Ibrahim here. I know, mixed up. Agora mandar para mar. Now I'm going to the water. Espera, here we go.
I went the other way around to give you the full tour. And look here, I meet my friend Elvis, catching bait fish. He's the one who sold me my outboard. He's a great guy and always out working or fishing.
Taka taka! My friend Elvis is fishing. I said taka taka, that means work work. Home, filled with water, gas, gasoline. Now I just need to fill the fridge with some food, some drinks, stock up in the bar. I think Wendy's coming over for some lasagna. Wow, I can already taste it. Lasagna. Okay, let's put this stuff away.
As I've mentioned many times, I'm waiting to get my boom fixed. It's here, with the best aluminum welder on the island. He's the best, so he's busy. Super busy. So busy that I've waited 6 weeks so far, and still nothing is done.
Esse é Soli.
But he asked me to come to his shop and explain again what I needed to get fixed.
Fazer igual ali.
Yeah. Então, lá, ele vai para frente.
He will weld a new piece and create the groove so we can insert the piece that holds a boom vang in place.
Vai fazer foto de posição.
Now when will he finish? He said tomorrow. 2 days. No stress. This is Cabo Verde.
Tava que tchau trabalho.
Yeah. Oh.
Hey, recently an old friend is back in town. Yeah, it's Maricia. She's back from her job the past year on the island of Boa Vista. I got us four together for dinner. It had been a long time. And she's brought a surprise.
I'm the luckiest guy alive. Look at these 3 incredible, beautiful women here. So beautiful. Fanny also so beautiful. Wendy. I'm just waiting for my steak. Now that's a steak. That's why I came here. That's a steak. I wanted a steak.
Now can you see what she's been up to?
Okay.
Guys, this is beer.
Comida tá up?
Yeah, children. Yeah.
É agora não vai onde?
Lá no fim.
Lá onde já
Go
estive.
with it, be alright. Yeah. Can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you.
So we took out Maricia for a dinner for 2 people, as well as Fanny and Wendy. Now we're gonna go to Galopin for a quick digestif.
All for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh, yeah.
Yes, we all went back to Galopin. Maricia missed the old boy, but she only stayed a few minutes and went back home. Meanwhile, Wendy and Fanny turned it on once again. And hey, we couldn't have another video without some dance fun. Now remember this dude here, Stalin? We've been hanging out having a good time. Told you he's a dentist.
Para dentista, ele tem feelings, man.
Oh, dentista can take feelings. Dentista é hobo.
And I would go see him. Well, I did. That's for next week.
See the smile?
Yeah, look at that. Yeah. And thank you for taking care of Wendy. She was scared and she's all happy and smiling.
It was a pleasure, man. And it's my work for you. Thank you. because you are showing the people outside of Cape Verde, our country.
Yeah.
It's mean a lot for us to see people from outside came here, feeling in at home. It's 5 years here.
Yeah, 5 years. And I tell you, it's only not like hanging out with you guys more than my people.
And we will hang out
Yeah.
much more time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, man.
Thank man. It was a pleasure.
Hey, thanks for watching. These are our studios on Gadapan. You know, it's the good people on Patreon who are making this happen and keep it as afloat. Hope you'll join our community. We've got a lot of cool extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos that I've taken. And I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories, which are not for general audiences on YouTube. Plus, our friend and patron, Graham, started a WhatsApp chat aptly called Galapan's Cockpit. There we can talk about just about anything we want, uncensored. People from all over have joined. It's this community that's contributing to this Living Adventure series. Woo, it's kind of windy here. Or you can watch for free on YouTube, but make sure you put a like or dislike, make a comment, and make your voice heard. And definitely subscribe. So thanks for coming along and sailing with us on our winded voyage.